Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing, unboxing, demoing this magnetic car phone mount from Andobil. And as you can see clearly, it is available in two different colors. You've got a black color with a nice carbon fiber finish, and then a silver color with a nice metallic reflective finish on the top. These are MagSafe compatible. They are car mounts, but they are very unique. We're going to take a quick look at these car mounts, then we're going to look at the stuff that comes in the box, then I'm going to demo these for you with my phone. So let's just take a look at the black ones. You can see exactly how it's made and what makes it unique. So these car mounts have this really tiny small base and then this 3M sticky pad to stick to any smooth surface. And that's what makes these unique. They don't click to your air vent mount, and they don't need a big, huge base. They just use a small base. It's really strong 3M adhesive pad to mount to any smooth surface, like the plastic on a dash. And once you get it on there, you can position this the way you want. Now, you can see, you hold this, and you turn any way you want it to be, you can have it. So lots of different options there as far as the direction and how you mount. And what's cool is this is a car mount, but you could use this around the house as well. You could attach this to a mirror in a bathroom if you wanted to be able to put your phone up on your mirror, or to a smooth piece of smooth tile in your kitchen so that you could see recipes or a video demonstrating how to cook something on your phone while you're in the kitchen. Lots of different options. It'll adhere to any smooth surface, and it'll hold your phone well. And you can see around the base here, it's got these little instructions with fingerprints telling you that when you mount this, you push this down into place or onto what you're going to be mounting it to. Make sure you hold it there and that it's stuck really good, and then you don't use it for 24 hours. It needs 24 hours to fully adhere and be ready to go. Now I'm going to demo this for you and just show you how this is great at holding its position with this swivel mount. It won't turn when you don't want it to, which is great. It just goes to wherever you put it. It will stay there with your phone. I'm going to demo that in a minute. Let's talk really quick about what comes in the box. You can see the box here. This is the box as it comes, and then this is how everything comes packaged, all nice and neat. You have a README little tag that just gives you information on using different sticky pads, because what's cool is they include, besides the sticky pad that's on the base, there are two additional sticky pads that you can use in the kit as well. They also include magnetic rings for you to use to make a non-MagSafe case MagSafe compatible. So you could use this on a non-MagSafe phone for your, a non-MagSafe case for your MagSafe phone, but you could also use this on an Android case or any other case. You put this on the case and then it can stick to that mount as well. And they include the rings. They also include this guide for putting it on there, as well as cleaning wipes and sticky pad. Not sticky pad, but little stickiers to make sure it's you're clean and dust free when you adhere those, which is great. You do also, of course, get a welcome guide that gives you all the pertinent information about the proper way to use this mount, as well as the ring. So that's what's in the box. Now, let's take a closer look at this. We're going to look at the silver one with my phone. I'm going to take this off again. That's on there to basically show you how you put that on in place and push down with your fingers to put it in place. And you can see you've got your nice little Andobil logo right there. Very subtle though, which is great. And then your sticky pad on the bottom. Now we're going to be demoing this with my phone. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I do have a MagSafe case on it, of course. And this is the heaviest iPhone there is with MagSafe. So once you put it on there, you'll see it holds, it sticks, phone is not coming off. What else you can see is that even if I hold this that way, and you can see this, the ball bearing thing is pointing up, it's not falling down. It's staying in place. Now if I want it to go down, then I can hold it with both hands and easily adjust it down. But once you got it, now I'm turning it sideways. And look, it stays in place. Not only does the phone stay on the mount, so if you're going over a bumpy road, your phone's not going to come off, but the mount itself stays in the position you put it in. And that's what's so cool about this. It's really easy to adjust it to a different position. but it stays in that position. It does not move. It will not move. When you put it, once you put it into the position you want it in, it's going to stay in that position. It is, even though it's easy to adjust it and move it to any angle you want, once you get it in the angle you want it at that's best for your viewing of your phone, wherever you're mounting this, it's going to stay in that position. Even when you've got your phone on there, it's not going to move. It's going to stay in the position that it's in, that you want it in, that you put it in. And that's just what's great about this car mount and why I love it so much. It's got this really tiny, small base, so it's able to stick in so many places so easily. It just gives you a lot more opportunities. A lot of mounts that have the really big base, you don't have anywhere you can put them. But because this works with such a small base, it gives you more places that you can put this, as well as, like I said, not just in a car, but also around the house. If you want to use one of these around the house as a mount to be able to mount your phone. And so you get to do that, and then you've got this, the way this angle adjusts. You can put it a lot of different places, and then you can adjust the angle to the angle that works best for viewing your phone. And obviously it'll work in horizontal or vertical mode with your phone because of these strong magnets that are in here. This is going to work with any quality MagSafe case or just without a case. But as long as you got a good MagSafe case, it's going to hold on there and no issues at all holding your phone as you're riding down the road. Even if you're, you know, your car's like mine and it's older and doesn't have the best suspension, this is going to hold your phone without any issues. So this car mount, again, available in black with carbon fiber print, or available in silver with the sort of glitter metallic print. Either way you go, it's an excellent mount for your phone. Great to use in the car as a car phone mount and allow you to, you know, stick this little base in so many different places. Any smooth surface it will adhere to and stick to, and then you can adjust the angle to whatever you need it to be to hold your phone, or if you want to use it around the house, you could do that as well. But really an excellent magnetic car phone mount from Andobil. If you're looking for a car phone mount for your car, this is definitely one that you should consider because it is an excellent product by Andobil. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions about the product, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.